Good morning, students. Welcome back to online sessions. In previous class, we have studied lesson number 3. How does computer work? And today we will be solving the exercise based on the lesson number 3. So let us start with the brain developer. The name of the exercise is brain developer. In this brain developer, they will be giving different kind of exercise to solve, and we have to solve accordingly. Let us move to the section A. In section A, fill in the blanks using the words given in the hints box. Students, you all can see at the bottom they have given some hints. First, you need to read these hints. First hint is output. Second one is data and instruction. Third one is letters. Fourth one is number. Fifth one is processing. Sixth is input. Seventh is pictures. And using these hints, you have to match accordingly. Fill in the blanks. Let me read the first one. The data that we enter, first one, the data that we enter into the computer is known as dash. Whatever the information or data which is entered into a computer, what exactly it is called? Whether it is called output, data and instructions, letters, numbers, processing, input, pictures. The data that we enter into a computer is known as data and instruction. So this is the right answer. Here I will mark it as 1. Along with that, I will write the same answer in the given blank. Data. What will be the spelling of data? D-A-T-A. Data and instruction. I-N-S-T-R-U-C-T-I-O-N. Yes. So this will be the right spelling for instruction. Let us move to the second one. Dash is the result given by a computer. Yes. What is the result? What exactly we call the result, whatever we get? There is another name for the result. What is that another name of result? Whether it is output, data and instruction, letters, numbers, processing, input or pictures. The another name of the result is called output. So here I will be marking it as 2, and here I will write the same answer. What is that? Output. Output is also called result. O-U-T and P-U-T will be the right spelling. Output is the result given by a computer. Let us move to the third one. When a computer works on data, it is called dash. See, whenever a computer works on the particular data, it is called dash. We have to tell whether it is called letters, numbers, input, processing or pictures. The data which is in the work process, it is called processing. So the right answer will be processing. Here I will put 3 for it, and here I will be writing the same answer. What will be the spelling of processor? P-R-O-C-E-S-S-I-N-G. It's processing. Like this way, you all can solve the fourth and fifth fill in the blanks using the hints. Now let us go to the B. Write true or false. They have given some following statements. You have to read those statements and you have to decide whether it is true or false. The given statement is true or false. If it is true, you all have to write T in the given box. If it is false, you all have to write F in the given box. Let us read it. Data typed into a computer is called output. The data which is typed into a computer which is called output. Is it, children? Whenever you will be typing a data, you are entering into a computer. Is it called output? No. Whenever the data is entered into a computer, it's called input, giving the instruction to computer. So this statement is false. So I will be writing F over here in the particular box. A computer cannot work on its own. Is it, children? Can computer work on its own? How does we human work? Early in the morning we woke up by ourselves and we do the further work. Is it possible to do computer the same thing? No. Computer is purely dependent upon the human. Unless the human give instruction to a computer, it is not going to work. So computer cannot work on its own is the true statement. So I will be writing here T. Now third one, monitor and printer are the most common input devices. Is it, children? Whether it is input device or output device, you all have to decide now. What you will get on the monitor? You will be getting the result. Result is also called output. Even the printer is used to take out the print. So these cannot be a input device. So the given statement is false. So I will write here false. Like this way you all can solve the example 4. Let us move to the next section, that is section B. In that A, tick the right answer. You all have to tick the right answer. They have given MCQs. MCQ means multiple choice questions. Select any one of it which is right. Which among the following parts of computer does all the calculations? Whether it is speaker, CPU or mouse. Yes, whether it is a data or any kind of calculation work, where the work happens inside of processor. The name of the processor is CPU. So I will be ticking here to the CPU. So CPU is the right answer. You can tick and you can also underline it. Now let us move to the second one. What are the data and instruction together known as? Yes, whatever the data and instruction which is given to a computer, both together is known as output, process or input. These are the instructions which are entered into a computer, and the instructions which we will be giving is called input. So I will be tick marking here. This is the right answer. Now let us move to the next page, that is page number 28. Open page number 28. In this 28, third choose the correct answer is given. You all can solve it on yours own. Let us move to the question answer session, that is B. Answer the following questions. You all have to answer the following questions. They have given one line. The answer should be fit into this line. No need to write the lengthy answers. Only you have to complete the sentence if it is required. Let me read the first one. Mention the 3 step process on which computer works. Yes. Whatever the work happen into a computer, that go through the 3 steps. You all have learned how does computer work and which are those steps. Basically there are how many steps, children? Yes, correct. There are 3 steps. The 3-step process on which computer works is the same sentence. You all can take it here, or else you can directly write the answer. The 3 steps. I will remove this mention. The 3 steps process on which computer work is first is input, second is, what is the second one, children? You all can write here, process, PROCESS, and third one is output. If it is not fitting into the line, only write the answer, that is input, process and output. Which part of computer works on a data to give output? Yes. Which part of the computer works on a data which gives output? Yes. Which is that device? That is monitor. Monitor gives a output. So you all can write only answers because this is not fitting into the line. Monitor, speaker and printer. MONITOR, monitor. SPEAKER, speaker. PRINTER, printer. Let us go to the third one. Name the term used for the final result that we get after the processing. What is that term which a particular word is used to show the final result that we get after the processing? What is that term which we use? That is output is the term. So you all can write OUTPUT, output is the term used for final result. Output is the term used for final result. Like this way you all can write the answer. Let me read the fourth one. Which part of a computer displays the output? Yes, children. Which part of the computer which displays the output? Same it is. Question number 2 is there. Same kind of question is there. Which part of second one is which part of computer works on a data to give the output? It is monitor. So here let me correct because this is wrong I am feeling. Which part of a computer works on the data which gives output? The sentence is being wrong I am feeling here. Let me read it once again. Which part of a computer works on data to give the output? Yes. This part of a computer works on the data. Which is that part, children? CPU. Please correct it. There was a small misunderstanding while reading it. Which part of a computer works on a data to give the output? CPU is the part of a computer which works on the data to give the output. The output is the next process here. Okay, children? So I hope you all can solve the given question answers. Thank you.